Today we got another beautiful build for you. We're putting on the beautiful B650E STRIX motherboard coming in from Asus. First off, we're starting with the 7800 X3D. Tried and true, best CPU on the market right now in terms of gaming, price per watt, price per frame, price per FPS, whatever you want to call it. It's absolutely phenomenal. We got a 2TB KC3000 drive there for all the storage of all the games, all the titles she wants to play. 32 gigs of 6000 CL30 RAM coming up from Team Group and the Delta RGB. We're putting this all in the beautiful Phanteks XT View case, which is one of my favorite cases for under $100 right now. We got a beautiful RTX 4080 super tough OC coming in from Asus as well.
3, 2, 1.